July 5th, 2025, Los Angeles, California. Around 3:45 p.m. in the afternoon, officers with the LAPD Southwest Area Gang Enforcement Detail were patrolling the Western Avenue corridor. This is a high crime zone where gang activity and illegal firearms are common. And at that very time, officers spotted a suspect, 26-year-old Ernesto Sepulveda, traveling north on a bicycle on the sidewalk.
Can I help you? I'm on my way to work right at the recycling center.
Officers suspected Ernesto had a handgun. They stop at the 3900 block of Southwestern Avenue and initiate a pedestrian stop. But, as the stop occurs, Ernesto's body language changes. The next moment,
Can I help you? It looks like you have a gun inside the car. Oh, no. Not a bike for you. You can the bike also. Serio? Yeah, stop off really quick. We're gonna get you out of here. Wow. We're all right like this shit all night. You need brakes, bro. All night. Quick, we'll get you out of here. No, I'm going right there. You guys can go with me? Step off the bike, please. Yes, sir. Any face away? Yes.
foot pursuit begins. The officers, he runs away. Behind him, the camera clearly shows Ernesto putting his hand in his waistband. And then, he takes out a pistol and opens fire on the officers without warning. An officer gets shot in both his legs. The situation instantly becomes deadly. Regardless of the injured officer, the backup has arrived. Ernesto then fires another round at the backup officers. Here his luck does not favor him. The pistol jams. This is a malfunction, which instantly ends his offensive capability. Ernesto throws his weapon and starts running towards the park.
Shots fired off, send me down. Yeah, stop off really quick, man. We'll get you out of here. Wow. We're right like this shit all night. You need brakes, bro. Stop off really quick. We'll get you out of here. No, I'm going right there. You guys can go with me? Step off the bike, please. Yes, sir. And then face away. Yes, sir. The back. We'll talk to you. I got it. They're shooting at us. Can I help you? I'm on my way to work right at the recycling center. Can I help you? It looks like you have a gun inside the car. Oh, no. Not a bike for you. You need brakes on the bike also. Serio? Yeah, stop off really quick. We'll get you out of here. Wow. We're all right like this shit all night. You need brakes, bro. All night. Quick, we'll get you out of here. No, I'm going right there. You guys can go with me? Step off the bike, please. Yes, sir. Any face away? Yes, sir. Get back. That's good.
The chase becomes intense inside MLK Park. The area is crowded, but here the officers are focused on the suspect. Responding officers pat him down, and a non-categorical use of force occurs, basically a controlled physical takedown, when Ernesto is finally taken into custody.
Yes, sir. Get back. That's good. Shots fired in here, unit coming on Southwest Street.